Hey Kristen, I really enjoyed your video. I felt like I really connected with it. My career has been working with children, and I've been an educator, and my goal is to switch over to counseling. Um, and the response, the example that you gave with how the counselor related with your son was very eye-opening, and I actually paused the video and your video and thought about what you had said. Recording like as the session went on is something that I probably never thought about. As a teacher, we record and assess children. I taught Montessori, so we do um, recording like all the time, and but it's never with a one-on-one child. It's always like you observe the child while they're doing the activities. Um, so this was very interesting. And I really thought about how I would feel if I was the child and somebody was recording me as I was talking to them. And I feel like I would be a bit uncomfortable and would rather just have the conversation with the counselor and then have the counselor obviously, record the session after the session ends, to make sure that I would bond with the child and build their trust and make them understand that I'm there for them, and I want to be able to strengthen the relationship between the counselor and the child, but also have the child understand that they're capable of growth and we're doing this together, and be attentive and empathetic. So that was really fantastic. It answered some of my questions I had really on how I would want to relate to a child. So thank you for that. And I also feel that we had a similar review of the videos. I think that attentive silence is something I have to take into better consideration and focus on. I don't know if that's something that I do well with other people. I feel the self-reflection is a wonderful way to find out my strengths and weaknesses. And again, you made me think about that during your video of how I need to take more time to reflect on how I communicate with people and, see if I'm doing okay or what questions, like if I can ask better questions, even in a normal conversation or relationship I have with my, say, siblings, when I'm having a conversation with them, if I can use some of these skills now and start practicing and seeing, what growth I can have in this type of skill. And, just start practicing with it and start practicing with the children I work with currently and see if I can strengthen my communication skills with them. And I just want to add that, your video was very informative and I am grateful for it, and I learned a lot, and it made me think a lot, which is great. Thank you again, Kristen. Have a good day.